Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Lexus dash cam. First, let's get it set up. Your dash cam is designed to record your journeys, capturing both video and audio. It's crucial to insert the SD card properly into the designated slot. Then, simply connect the dash cam to your vehicle's power outlet, usually a 12-volt socket, and it will power on automatically, ready to begin recording your drives. Your Lexus dash cam offers several recording modes to suit different needs. Continuous recording captures everything while you drive, ensuring no moment is missed. Parking surveillance mode provides security when your vehicle is stationary, detecting motion or impacts. Event recording automatically saves footage during sudden braking or collisions, while manual recording lets you save a specific clip with a simple press of a button. Accessing your recorded footage is straightforward. You can view videos directly on the dash cam's built-in screen for quick playback. For more detailed viewing or sharing, simply remove the SD card and insert it into a computer using an SD card reader. Alternatively, many Lexus dash cams offer a convenient smartphone app, allowing you to wirelessly download and manage your files with ease. Remember to delete old files to maintain storage. To ensure your Lexus dash cam performs at its best, a few simple maintenance tips are helpful. Regularly formatting your SD card, perhaps once every 2 or 3 months, helps prevent data corruption and ensures smooth recording. Always keep the lens clean for crystal clear video quality. Adjusting the G-sensor sensitivity can prevent unnecessary event recordings, and checking for firmware updates ensures you have the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.